ऑलराइट, डे 6। फर्स्ट थिंग्स फर्स्ट, कल की वीडियो से रिलेटेड कुछ बातें करनी थी। एक तो इट्स नॉट एक्सटेम्पोर, इट्स एक्सटेम्परी। कल से मेरे दिमाग में ये बात अटकी हुई थी एंड आई वांट टू जस्ट क्लियर द स्लेट। और दूसरी चीज़, thirdly is a word. Yesterday I said thirdly is not a word. It is a word, it is an official word, but I would much rather just use third because it implies the same thing. ये चीज़ मेरे दिमाग में अटकी हुई थी एंड आई वांट टू टॉक अबाउट दिस बिकॉज दिस वाज वन ऑफ द थिंग्स दैट आई वाज एक्चुअली फियरिंग व्हेन आई वाज क्रिएटिंग दीज वीडियोस कि व्हाट इफ आई से समथिंग रॉन्ग एंड it's going to be stored in the internet database forever and ever, and what if it comes back to bite me later. This is such a silly fear, but it is, right? आप in real life आप गलती कर सकते हो and it's fine, but if it's on the internet, it can come back later. Anyway, I've cleared the air. All right. Second thing, मैं ना कुछ ऐसी easy बात करना चाहती थी. I told you I'm going to pick up a topic. I want to talk about something really easy and casual and keep all the meaty stuff for later, for when I have a lot of subscribers. And then I got a subscriber yesterday. Her name is Sukriti, and she commented on my video and then she commented on a few other videos of mine. I just felt so nice and I realized, why am I waiting for other people? I'm doing this for each and every one who wants to watch me, and I'm doing this for myself. So I'm not waiting. I'm just going to dive right into the meaty stuff and talk about the things that I actually want to talk about. So today I want to talk about self-love. This is such a overused term that sometimes even I feel cringy talking about it, but it is important. All I want to say, or what I want to start with, is that I absolutely, madly, deeply, crazily love myself. I absolutely love myself. I think I'm amazing. I'm beautiful. I'm intelligent. I respect myself. I have something beautiful to offer to the world. I think I'm a gift on this world. I think I have love inside me. I have compassion. I have kindness. And I have so much to offer this world. And so, for all of these reasons, and for none of these reasons, I passionately love myself. And this is not something that I could say a few years ago. It feels nice to say it out loud. If you asked me a few years ago if I loved myself, I would say yes, because I thought that I loved myself. I really did. But बोलने में और मानने में बहुत फ़र्क होता है. या जानने में और मानने में बहुत फ़र्क होता है. मुझे लगा था कि I loved myself because of the way that I carried myself. But if I truly loved myself, I would not have spoken to myself the way that I did. I would not have treated myself the way that I did. And so, thinking that you love yourself is very different from truly loving yourself. And so, the first thing that I did in this journey of going from that place to reaching this place is that I changed my self talk. आप अपने आप से कैसे बात करते हैं is a huge important criteria on how you love yourself. And it's not just me saying that, science says that. अगर आप गूगल करो the top 10 worst habits for your mental health, you'll obviously get the obvious ones, right? You'll get sleep deprivation, and you'll get substance abuse, and you'll get screen time, and all of that. But one thing that will surprise you is that negative or critical self talk is one of the top 10 things that affect your mental health negatively. आप अपने आप से कैसे बात करते हो determines how you feel about yourself, how you feel about life. And it's very important that you get a hold of it. The very interesting thing, when I found out about this, it blew my mind, is कि आपकी जो self talk होती है ना, वो आपकी होती ही नहीं है. Your self talk is acquired. It is acquired from the people around you, from your surroundings when you were a kid. It is acquired from your caregivers, your parents, your siblings, your teachers, your grandparents, the neighbors, the environment that you grew up in. You acquire your self talk from them. वो आपसे कैसे बात करते हैं, वो अपने आप से कैसे बात करते हैं, वो एक दूसरे से कैसे बात करते हैं, वो एक दूसरे के बारे में कैसे बात करते हैं, that becomes your self talk. So it's not even yours. आपकी वो सेल्फ टॉक है ही नहीं, वो किसी और की है, और हम उसको ले लेते हैं, अपना बना लेते हैं, एंड देन वी यूज दैट all our lives without even thinking twice to change it. That is crazy. Because if you really think about it, जब हम छोटे होते हैं तो हमारे पास तो लैंग्वेज भी नहीं होती. It's not like we are born into this world with the knowledge of how to speak. हमको हमारी environment सिखाती है वर्ड्स फॉर्म करना, डायलेक्ट फॉर्म करना, एक्सेंट उठाना, कैसे बात करते हैं, क्या बोलते हैं, ये सब तो हमने अपने एनवायरनमेंट से सीखा है ना. तो जब हमने लैंग्वेज अपने एनवायरनमेंट से सीखा है, तो सेल्फ टॉक भी हमने अपने एनवायरनमेंट से ही सीखा है. इट्स नॉट लाइक इट वाज गिवन टू अस व्हेन वी वर बॉर्न, लाइक आप अपने आप से ऐसे बात करोगे, नहीं. वी पिक्ड इट अप अलोंग द वे. So if you had people in and around you, in your family and around you, who were critical of you and of themselves, that's what became your self talk. और मेरी self talk बहुत critical थी, बहुत ही ज़्यादा critical थी. I was so harsh on myself. I used to use tough love. कुछ भी करने के लिए ना, अपने आप को मोटिवेट करने के लिए मैं टफ लव यूज करती थी. ये कम ऑन, यू कैन डू दिस, इफ यू कांट डू दिस, आर यू स्टूपिड, हाउ कैन यू नॉट डू दिस, यू आर बेटर देन दिस, यू कैन डू बेटर, पुश योरसेल्फ, पुश योरसेल्फ, पुश योरसेल्फ टू अचीव एनीथिंग. Because if I was not pushing myself, I was not good enough, I was being lazy. That was the whole concept in my head. और क्योंकि ये मेरी सेल्फ टॉक थी, क्योंकि मैं ऐसे अपने आप से बात करती थी, और क्योंकि ऐसे बात करने से मुझे रिजल्ट्स मिलते थे, आई यूज टू अनफॉर्चुनेटली यूज द सेम टॉक ऑन अदर्स टू मोटिवेट दैम. क्योंकि मुझे लगता था कि अगर ये मेरे पे चलता है तो ये दूसरों पे भी चलेगा. आई यूज टू यूज द सेम हार्श क्रिटिकल लैंग्वेज एंड हैव द सेम स्टैंडर्ड्स फॉर अदर्स दैट आई हैड फॉर माई सेल्फ. आई सो रिग्रेटेड, बट आई डिडंट नो बेटर. एंड द पर्सन हु सफर्ड द मोस्ट वाज माई एक्स. उस पे मैं बहुत ये I used to use the same language, and he would often tell me like, why are you talking to me like this? And I would be like, but this is the only way that I get results, so I think that this is the only way that you will get results. And I would push, and honestly I was a little less harsh on him than I was on myself to get results. I would just use the meanest words that I could to get results, to build a life that from the outside looked like it was a success. And you can get all that you want or all that you desire or whatever looks like success by using this harsh method. But my understanding is that whatever you're building in your life is always being built from a place of shame. Always. क्योंकि जब आप अपने आप से ऐसे नेगेटिवली बात करो, यू आर यूजिंग शेम एंड यू आर यूजिंग गिल्ट टू गेट यू टू पुश योरसेल्फ. और आप ये जो लोग देख रहे हो ना अपने आसपास, द सीईओज एंड द प्रेसिडेंट्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, द पीपल हु आर रूलिंग द वर्ल्ड, आप नोटिस करना, दे ऑल टेंड टू हैव अ वेरी नेगेटिव सेल्फ टॉक. And how can you notice that? How can you see that their self-talk is negative? Is because आपकी जो self-talk होती है ना, आप वो ही दूसरों पे inflict करते हो. You can only give to others what you have within yourself. So if you have a negative or a very critical self-talk, that's what you will give to the world. And so you can see all of these leaders, what are they doing? वो अपने जो जैसे अपने आप को मोटिवेट करते हैं, जैसे अपने आप को belittle करते हैं, वैसे ही वो दुनिया को कर रहे हैं, because that's how they know how to live their life. And so you can achieve all the materialistic success by using this strategy, by using the strategy of pushing yourself hard and not being kind to yourself, and using shame and using anger and using criticism. But it's all going to stem from a place of shame, and that's what's going to spread into the world. You have to start from changing your self talk. एक मैं ये बहुत बहुत डीपली मानती हूँ. इट्स द कोर ऑफ व्हाट आई टीच एंड व्हाट आई टॉक अबाउट, इज दैट योर आउटर वर्ल्ड इज अ प्योर रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ योर इनर वर्ल्ड. आपके आउटर वर्ल्ड में जो भी चल रहा है इज जस्ट रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ whatever is happening inside. It's not the other way around. हमको लगता है it's the other way around. हमको लगता है कि बाहर कुछ चेंज होएगा तो अंदर रिफ्लेक्ट करेगा. That's not the case. The work has to be done within, and then it gets reflected outside. तो ये जो मैं बोल रही थी, मैं जो डीपली ये चीज मानती हूँ कि हम ना दो वर्ल्ड्स में जीते हैं, नॉट द टू वर्ल्ड्स दैट Vedas talks about, but we live in two worlds. One is our external world, your interactions with your parents, your interaction with people, parents cholo, your interaction with people, your interaction with the environment, your interaction with animals, your interactions with trees and nature. That is your external world. And then there is this internal world, your interaction with yourself. और ये जो एक्सटर्नल वर्ल्ड है ना, ये आपकी पूरी लाइफ का सिर्फ 10% है. It is just 10% of your life. 90% of your life is lived within you. It's your internal world. It's how you talk to yourself, it's how you speak to yourself, it's how you feel about yourself. So, this place has to be your safe space. I have built this to be my safe place. जब लाइफ में और कुछ सही नहीं चल रहा होता ना, मैं इधर से भागती नहीं हूँ, मैं इधर आती हूँ. I come back to my safe space where I feel comforted, where I feel taken care of, where I feel like it's okay for me to be me. And I have worked on building this. It didn't come to me one day. It didn't I was not born with it. I mean, I think we all are born with it, but it changes. I had to relearn to create this space where it's safe for me to just be me. 90% of your life is lived here. We need to make this our safe space. We need to change our self talk because it's not even ours to begin with. हमने दूसरों से सीखा है. You know, जब my caregiver would, I acquired it. I mean, I'm sure I acquired it from like many people, but my my self talk was very critical, right? Really pushed myself. I had to be perfect. I had to be I had to deliver results, otherwise I was not good enough. That was the expectation that I had in my head, and it was obviously acquired from someone else. But जब वो मुझसे से बात करते थे ना, मुझे बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लगता था. I even to date I do not like being criticized. मुझे कोई जोर की आवाज में बात करे, मुझे पसंद नहीं है. मुझे समझाइए. I would love for someone to take the time to explain things for me instead of imposing things on me. और मैं ऐसे self talk से भागती थी. I didn't want to be in that environment. I didn't want to be around them. And I reached a point when I ran away from this. But did I truly run away from it? I don't think so. Because वो जो मेरे साथ करते थे, मैं उससे भागना चाहती थी और मैं भाग गई. पर वो जो मेरे साथ करते थे, वो ही मैं अपने साथ करने लग गई. I didn't really run away from it, right? I just ran away from I ran away from the person and that physical reality of it. But in my head, that was the same conversation happening over and over again. मैं उन्हीं के tactics अपने पे यूज करती थी क्योंकि मुझे लगता था कि that's the only way for me to achieve something and to build something because that was the only way that I was taught to. So did I really run away? Did you? Are you really running away from the people who criticized you? Not really, because you've acquired their voice and you acquired their way of speaking, and you're still criticizing yourself the way that someone else did. So you've not really run away. They've still got power over you. That power hasn't changed. Now it's a time for you to change it. Now that you have this knowledge कि ये जो जैसा मैं अपने आप से बात करती हूँ ये मेरी है ही नहीं. तो it's time for me to change it. अगर सो आई हैव स्पोकन अबाउट दिस कि मुझे ये यूट्यूब जो है बहुत टाइम से करना था. आई थिंक 1.5 साल से तो मुझे पता ही था कि मुझे ये करना है. इट्स समथिंग दैट आई एम मेंट टू डू. इफ आई वाज यूजिंग द सेम टेक्निक ऑफ बीइंग हार्श टू माई सेल्फ, मुझे लगता है कि शायद मैं 6 महीने पहले या 1 साल पहले आ जाती. रियली आई वुड हैव रियली पुश्ड माई सेल्फ if I was using that technique, but it would have been inauthentic. It would have been absolutely inauthentic because I'm coming here and giving gyan that I'm not even applying to my life, that's not healthy, that that I have not applied in my life. It would have been fake. It would have been completely fake, but I would have gotten the results. मैं 6 महीने पहले यहाँ आ जाती, but it would have been driven from a place of shame, from a place of guilt, from a place of thinking that I was not good enough. But ab, I feel so okay with being here. My previous self would have said stuff like, If I decide that I want to make a video and I didn't show up, like, how can you do this? How are you so, how can you let yourself down again? What is wrong with you? Why can't you just get up like others are doing it? How can you be weak? Oh my god, weakness was such a big thing for me. How can you be weak? You are better. You're better than this. You're better than others. I would compare myself to others. You're better than others. You've got to put yourself out there. You've got to do, like, you have to show up. What is wrong with you? And now, or the language that I use now when I decide that I'm going to do something and I didn't show up and I didn't do it, the language is, I know you want to do this, but I know that there's something big, there's a fear within you that's stopping you. We'll work through it. I know that you're not lazy. I know that you've overcome a lot of things previously in life. So it's not like you can't do this. I know that it seems big. We'll take baby steps, but we'll get there. We'll keep working on it again and again and again, but we'll get there. And it took a while, but I got here. And it's coming from a place of love. I'm creating this from a place of love, from, like, that self talk was helped me reach here with love, with empathy, with compassion for myself, not from guilt and shame that I was previously using throughout my life to achieve things. And so I feel safe in sitting here. If I would have done this 6 months ago, I would have done it, but would I have felt safe in my body? I don't know, because I really had to work through a lot of things to come here. I really had to let go of a lot of my fears to come here. मैं बैठ के शायद कर लेती, but वो fears शायद हमेशा ही रहते मेरे अंदर. It would have always felt like an effort to get up and doing this because I was pushing myself instead of now feeling pulled to do this. The more I'm kind to myself, the more compassionate and empathetic I am to myself, the more I am to the world. Because now, if someone tells me that they're struggling, pehle, if someone told me that they were struggling, I would just be like, oh my god, that's weak. Because I can always push myself and get stuff done. Now, when someone says that they're struggling, I'm empathetic and compassionate, and I'm like, I get it. In your head, for whatever reason, it's a really, really big deal. But we'll get through this. I think it's made me a better coach, right? Because people come to me for empathy. They Because they don't find anywhere else. They come to me because they want to feel heard and understood and feel safe and taken care of. And because I provide all of those things to myself, I provide it to them. Because my because you can only give to others what you give to yourself. So what is your self-talk like? What do you give to yourself and what do you give to others? What are people receiving? Are you harsh? If you're harsh to others, do you think it's because you're harsh to yourself? Is it because you picked it up from somewhere else, from someone else? Is it time? Do you think it's time for you to change this? I talk to myself almost 4 साल हो चुके हैं 4 साल हो चुके हैं I talk to myself like I'm a 5-year-old because in all of us we have a 5-year-old. Our 5-year-old is still within us, still alive. I talk to myself like that child is still alive. I mean, that child is still alive within me. I talk to myself like I am that 5-year-old. और मैं उसको समझाती हूँ. मैं उससे ऐसे बात करती हूँ जैसे मैं हमेशा चाहती थी कि मुझसे बात की जाए. If I wanted to be spoken to a certain way, I will give myself that. I will give myself that care and that empathy and that compassion and speak to myself kindly and softly. तो 4 साल से I have not said even one harsh thing to myself. एक भी बार मैंने अपने आप को क्रिटिसाइज नहीं किया, एक भी बार मैंने अपने आप को ब्लेम नहीं किया, एक भी बार मैंने अपने आप को बिलिटल नहीं किया, एक भी बार मैंने अपने आप को शेम नहीं किया है. All I have done is spoken to myself like I was a child. And look where I am today. And watch where I grow. मतलब आपको ऐसे लगेगा because I also resisted it, right? Because that was the only way for me to get results. क्योंकि मेरे पास कोई और रास्ता ही नहीं था, मैंने कोई और टेक्निक यूज ही नहीं की थी. आई वाज लाइक व्हाट इफ आई लेट गो ऑफ दैट एंड आई एम नॉट एबल टू बी बिकम द पर्सन आई एम मेंट टू बिकम और रीच माय सो कॉल्ड पोटेंशियल. बट वॉच मी, आई एम टेलिंग यू, you can achieve everything that you're meant to, even while speaking to yourself kindly. And I think that makes the whole journey even more beautiful. It makes the journey even more lovely and even more at ease and even more fun and joyful, because you're not pushing yourself. You're not going against you're not going against all of this resistance. Understand, this resistance is coming from a place. You want to understand where it's coming from. We all just want to be understood by others so deeply and badly, but we don't give ourselves that understanding. So be able to give yourself that understanding. Be Treat yourself like that 5-year old. Ask yourself those questions. Be soft and gentle and kind to yourself, and it will start spreading outwards. The thing that, if you take this step, and I really really hope you do, you better take this step. If you're listening to this, if you sat so far, you better take this step. If you take this step, you will go on this journey of figuring out कि जो मेरी self talk थी ना, वो मैंने किसी से उठाई. And that one person will come to your mind, maybe 2 people will come to your mind, और आपको उन पे बहुत गुस्सा आएगा. बहुत गुस्सा आएगा. एटलीस्ट मुझे तो आया था कि इतने साल की 30 साल मैंने अपने आप से ऐसे बात की है क्योंकि उन्होंने मेरे से ऐसे बात की. बट इट टुक मी अ वाइल टू अंडरस्टैंड कि उन्होंने मुझसे ऐसे बात की क्योंकि उनसे किसी ने ऐसे बात की. Their self talk was their self talk was also an acquired self talk, and the self talk that they had is what they passed on, right? Because you can only give to others what you have within you, and they didn't have the resources like we do to understand that आप अपनी self talk change कर सकते हो. They didn't. I mean, it took me 30 years to realize कि मैं अपने आप से जैसे बात करती हूँ वो मेरा है ही नहीं. वो मैंने उठाया है कहीं से. It didn't even occur to me once in my whole life that it was something that I picked up along the way, that it wasn't mine. You, if you're listening to this for the first time, this idea for the first time, you are listening to this for the first time. So if you are going to change this now, it's because you had this resource which they didn't. So while I understand your anger and it's well placed, if you're walking on this journey, I would highly recommend you to be compassionate to others, because they didn't know better, and because we have the opportunity to change, to understand, and to stop the buck here and not let it get passed on. So the first step on this journey of loving yourself completely, because you all are beautiful human beings and you just need to find a way to identify that. The first step that I tell everyone, that I'm telling you, is to change your self talk. Talk to yourself like you are a child. To bring about any change, there are 5 steps. First is awareness, second is acknowledgement, third is acceptance, fourth is action, and fifth, action ultimately leads to integration. So after this video, start with the first step of just awareness. Just work on becoming aware on the dialogues that are going on in your head, on how do you talk to yourself, how do you motivate yourself. When you do something wrong, how do you reprimand yourself? How do you encourage yourself? When you do something good, how do you celebrate yourself? Or do you like make yourself small? How do you how what's your innate reaction to making a mistake? What's your innate reaction to just being lazy? What's your innate reaction to just taking a step back and not reaching your full potential and being your best each and every day? What's that self talk like? Just work on becoming aware for now. It's the first step. It'll open your eyes to so many different things. But it's a very empowering one, because like I said, this is 90% of your world. दिस इज 90% ऑफ योर लाइफ. ये ठीक कर लोगे ना भाई, ये ठीक कर लोगे, लाइफ सेट हो जाएगी. एंड इट्स नथिंग टू डू विद एनीवन एल्स, इट्स जस्ट समथिंग टू डू विद यू. आप अपने आप से कैसे बात करते हो. How do you talk to yourself as a child, as a 5-year-old child? A child who's allowed to make mistakes. A child who needs to, if they make a mistake, needs to understand that they made a mistake and they need to get better. But a child does not need to be punished for it because they didn't know better. Yeah, that's what I wanted to talk about today. The first step to self love is fixing your self talk. Because the outside world is just a reflection of your inner world. That's it. I have nothing more to add. This was good. I never ask anyone to like, share, subscribe, but I do think that this is a very powerful video, and if you've sat through it and if you reached here, then do share it. Share it with your best friend, share it with your sister, your mother, your father, anyone around you who you think really needs this, who needs to be kinder to themselves. And you know who needs to be kind to themselves. You know it. You can see it in the way that they behave with others, the way that they behave with themselves. It's very easy to read people. एक उस पे भी बनाऊंगी मैं video. So send it to people who might find this useful. It's a very small and easy step to significantly changing your life. Start today with just getting aware of how you speak to yourself. And then slowly and steadily, make the necessary changes. All right, see you tomorrow.